Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or the journey, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna start by finishing up the pedestal legs for this guy, finish sanding this, and also sand these legs here. We're still at $0, but again, I'm waiting for the epoxy, but that should come fairly soon here. But right now, we're just gonna try to build up as much products as we can, and I can only work an hour or something after school, right? That's all I really have time for right now. Yeah, here we go. Okay, everyone, let me show you what we got done tonight. These guys are all sanded, ready for painting. Yeah, turned out not too bad. But yeah, and then we also got this guy sanded down, ready for epoxy. Got the bark all chiseled nice. Got started on the pedestal legs. I still don't know what I want to do, how to attach the base. I was thinking about using this, having it sort of like this here as the base, and then having this on top and attaching this to this like this. Let me check out how that would look quick. Keep in mind, this is nowhere near finished. So then this is how it would kind of look with this all epoxy on top. I know it's kind of an odd figure, but I don't know, it doesn't look too bad maybe. Give that a shot, but yeah, so that will be it. Thanks for joining. See ya.